Welcome to Good English Now. In today's video, we're going to improve your English skills with 5 advanced phrases for talking to repairmen who are making small repairs. These phrases will help you communicate more effectively with handymen or plumbers. Let's get started. Our first phrase is, there's a persistent leak in the faucet. Persistent means continuing without stopping. For example, I've noticed there's a persistent leak in the kitchen faucet. It's been dripping for days. Now repeat after me. There is a persistent leak in the faucet. Next up, the circuit breaker keeps tripping. A circuit breaker is a safety device that stops the flow of electricity when there is a problem. You might say, whenever I use the microwave, the circuit breaker keeps tripping. Can you check the wiring? Let's practice. The circuit breaker keeps tripping. Next, could you give me a ballpark estimate? A ballpark estimate is a rough calculation for the cost. For instance, before you start the work, could you give me a ballpark estimate for fixing the broken tiles? Repeat after me. Could you give me a ballpark estimate? Next, the pipes are making a knocking sound. This describes a repetitive noise in the plumbing system. You might explain in this way. Every time I turn on the hot water, the pipes are making a knocking sound. Is this normal? Let's say it together. The pipes are making a knocking sound. Our final phrase is, do you offer a warranty on your work? A warranty is a guarantee that the work will be fixed if problems occur within a certain time period. You could ask, if I hire you to fix my leaky roof, do you offer a warranty on your work? And how long does your warranty last? Let's practice. Do you offer a warranty on your work? Excellent work. You've learned 5 advanced phrases for discussing problems with handymen and plumbers. Remember to watch this video multiple times, pausing to repeat phrases and practice your pronunciation. If you found this lesson helpful, please like and subscribe for more Good English Now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.